A program to produce more semi-drivers receives a boost thanks to a special event. The trucking school at Parke Heritage High School held an open house. Recently, it was announced that Parke Heritage is expanding the trucking school. Through this program, high school students can earn their CDL while still in high school. Many of the students are seeing placement right out of high school. Tonight's event helped to provide information to prospective students.
Trucks feed the country. You know, everything in your house came in probably by truck. So if you don't have truck drivers, you don't have what you need at home.
Parke Heritage partnered with the Teamsters, NDOT, and various trucking companies for tonight's event. If you missed it, another open house will be held Saturday from 10 a.m. to 1 p.m. at Parke Heritage.